Hello beauties, in today's video I will be showing you 4 different head wrap looks for your traction alopecia to protect those edges. So let's go. So in this first look we're going to take our hair and put it in a ponytail, and then we're going to take a big jumbo donut, place it on top of our hair, and then we're going to take a wig cap, place it on top of the donut for some extra security, as well as a wig gripper to protect our edges from any friction from the headscarves rubbing against our edges. We want to save our edges, ladies, if you have traction alopecia. This also gives you some extra security from the head wrap moving away from your head. So for this first look, we're going to place our scarf on our head in the back, and we're going to go in the front, and we're just going to loop it around like so and tighten it around the front of our hair. And then we're going to position the scarf on our edges, and then we're just going to take one side, loop it around, and then we're going to twist like a rope, and we're going to tuck it in on the side like so, and we're going to repeat on the same side. So there's no right or wrong way to do this, ladies. You just have to play around with these scarves to see what you like for your face. And this is look number 1. Super quick and easy. It's a protective style, something you can run out the door real quick and you're all made up. So moving on to look number 2, we're going to go ahead and place our hair in a low ponytail in the back, and we're going to take a small donut, place it around the ponytail, and repeat with the wig cap and the wig gripper. And again, this wig gripper helps to secure that scarf on your head because it can slip around during the day. So we're going to go ahead and tie a little loop in the back like so, and then we're going to position it on the front of our head, get it around our ears to our liking, and then we're going to repeat the same way we did in the first style by twisting to the end, and then you're just going to wrap the little rope around the back of the ponytail like so, and then just twist any of the fringes down to the bottom and make sure to tuck them in good. Now if you want the fringes to hang in the back, you can very well do so. I think that would be cute as well. But yeah, you just twist and wrap and tuck. That's it. It's super easy. And you have your second look, a quick style to protect your edges, and a quick look to just run out the door. Go to work, go to the store, go to an appointment, and you're looking very stylish and classy. So moving on to look number 3, we're going to go in with a hot pink scarf, and we're going to keep our hair in the low ponytail. This time I'm positioning the scarf a little bit back on my forehead so that my edges can peek out, and then we're going to take the scarf, move it to the front, and then we're going to wrap another little loop tie in the front, and then we're going to tighten it on our head to make sure it's secure. And this time we're going to move the scarf over to the side, and we're going to let a little bit of our baby hairs peek out on the side, and then we're going to twist all the way down to the end and make a little rope. So make sure you twist tightly because you don't want your rope to unravel like so. And once you've twisted to the end, we're just going to take our rope and we're going to wrap it around, and we're just going to position it to our liking on our head. Now I have a big head, so I had to kind of work with this rope to get it twisted around my head like so. And tuck and hide those fringes, and just tuck any excess fringes in, and there you go with look number 3. Move it to the side, let those edges show, girl, and there you have look number 3 with the rope on both sides. And I think this look is really cute. I really love this look. And then on to the 4th look. This one's super easy. Just take down the rope, and this time twist it around in like a little bun on the side of your forehead like so, and just keep twisting and tucking those fringes, and you have your 4th look, which is super easy. And I'm just trying to figure out which look I like the best. Leave me a comment below and let me know which one was your favorite look. And this does it for the fourth look, and I love all of them so much. So yeah, super quick and easy. Thank you for watching, guys.
What else could you ask for? Baby, I'm a hot, sexy mama with